I'm Clade Agent Sam Snow.
And I'm Agent Kit Casey.
I'm Wendy. I hope you find them soon. There are still some acorns around, but I'll never be able to gather up enough in time for winter. This took a lot of work.
It looks like it. Can you show us how you store your acorns, Wendy?
Sure thing. Grab that acorn behind you while I prepare a new hole.
What acorn?
Here, use this one.
Thanks. Now watch.
Huh?
I drill a hole, then pop an acorn in. Now you tell me, how does someone steal a whole tree's worth of acorns in just a few seconds?
We're not sure just yet. A lot of animals around here eat acorns.
You mean like squirrels?
Uh-oh, gotta go.
Oh, after him!
Too slow. Still too slow. Can't catch me.
Hang on. I got an idea. Uh-oh. I hope that squirrel doesn't find all the acorns in my backpack.
Acorns, backpack. Hey, I don't see no acorns.
Ha-ha! Gotcha!
Okay, fine. You win. I just took one little acorn. Here.
Wait, what have you got in your cheeks?
Nothing. Oopsie.
That's what I thought. Hand them over.
My acorns!
Anything you'd like to say?
Sorry. I just saw all those tasty acorns and I couldn't resist.
Apology accepted.
The lion's on my tail. We're headed your way.
We'll be ready for you.
You'll have to be faster than that. Kid, look out! Oh, dear. Hey, lion! Over here! Thanks, Cubby.
Clade rule #1: never leave your fellow agents hanging.
Sam, change of plan.
Cubby's luring the lion towards you.
Cubby? Nice hoverboarding, Cubby.
I think I'm getting the hang of it.
Just lure the lion a bit closer to us.
It's go time.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Okay, Harry. Now!
That lion sounds pretty big. I'm out of here.
There's still not enough of us to search the entire area. Huh?
Then it's a good thing you have extra backup.
Hi, guys.
Hello. Is everyone there but me?
We heard you needed a larger pack. Sometimes even expert partners need help from the rest of their team.
Wow, Director. As always, your timing is spot on. Who's ready to find Wanda?
Wait for me!
We searched every section on the map and still no sign of Wanda. Where could she be?
Hang on. Did you hear that?
It's a who call. That must be...
Wanda!
Who?
trapped by the fire, and the wind's making it worse. I have an idea, but it's going to take all of us working together.
Yeah!
Okay, team, now pass the water along.
It's working!
Keep going!
Keep it up!
One more should do it. Okay, Wanda, jump!
I don't think I can do it.
Yes, you can!
I know you can!
Go, Wanda.
Come on, Wanda, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
That's what I call team building.
Cue the thunder. Now, Rita, cue the rain sounds.
What in darnation are they doing?
They're making the mole lizard think it's raining, so they'll come out.
And now, kids, a little rain.
What's she doing?
Oh, that's the last of our water. I sure hope this works. Sorry.
Huh? Where's the rainstorm?
Gotcha.
Hey, what's the big idea? Huh?
Look! He's got the spigot!
All right, little mole lizard. You've got some explaining to do.
I didn't mean to cause any trouble. I was just so thirsty that I tried getting a drink of water without bothering anyone. But this year's spigot got tangled in my tail and broke loose.
Of course. It all makes sense.
Sorry about your twisted tail and all, but I've gotta ask for that spigot back.
I'd love to give it back, but my tail's really tangled.
Well, it just so happens we have a master untangler on hand.
Allow me. Ha!
Water for everyone! On the house!
No one untangles a mystery like you, Sam.
Cubby, you've got to do something.
Guys, you won't believe this, but once again, I've got a little bit of good news and...
And some bad news. What is it?
I figured out how to shut down the cleaner bots, but I need a password to do it.
A password?
Yep, I can't turn them off unless I know the Stinkwell's password.
Try Hans or Harold.
Or Whoopsie?
Nope, nope, and nope. We only got one more try.
Must clean everything, must clean everything.
Sorry, they're gonna clean us.
What could the Stinkwell's password be?
Wait, what was that word they kept using in their video about the cleaning?
Oh, yeah. It was something like, waterfall?
Or volleyball? Or... Wunderbar!
Wunderbar!
Cubby, the password is...
Wunderbar!
We did it!
It worked!
Wunderbar. What does that mean, anyway?
I think it means wonderful. And you know what else would be wonderful? Going home.
Sounds wunderbar to me.
Bye.
Bye!
See ya!
The glass frog is back where he belongs, and the cleaner bots are under control again.
Another creature case
Closed!